Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the opacity in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery what you would like to edit. And after you open one of them, then you have to click on the edit option, which is the first one on the bottom of the screen. Scroll to the right until you see the opacity option, click on it, and now here is this bar, and you can set it up exactly how you would like. And then when you are done, just click on the check mark option on the bottom of the screen right corner, and you are all set. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.